handbag lovers. I am here with the fourth episode of Secure the Bag, where I will be sharing with you a new bag designer by a Black-owned business. If this sounds like something that you're interested in seeing, please keep on watching. Okay, so this is a bag that I saw while browsing Bloomingdale's, and I was very attracted to the style of this bag because it was very unique looking, something I'd never seen before, and living up to my channel name of Purse Diverse, I thought this would be a great bag to learn more about. It definitely checked off all the boxes for me in terms of the style, the color, the price, and when I learned that it was from a Black-owned designer, that made this even more exciting for me. So I definitely wanted to learn more about this bag and give it a try. So you can see it's very colorful here. Let's just open her all the way up. Check this out. Have you ever seen anything like it? Okay, so this bag is from the designer BruceGlen. They are identical twin fashion designer brothers. They have interned for Beyonce. They indicate on their website that they've helped launch celebrity brands such as Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, Trey Songz, as well as Diddy. And in 2019, they decided to relaunch their own fashion brand. Now, they describe their designs as bold, as electric, and as conversational. And I think as you look at this bag, you would say that they're probably hitting the marks with that one. They also say that metal and hardware and mixed patterns is their claim to fame, if you will. Okay, but enough about this designer. I'm very happy to support a Black-owned business and Black-owned designers. This bag is called their grenade bag. And as you can see, it looks like a hand grenade. It is 100% leather, as described. It comes with a detachable and adjustable strap. Has like the lobster claw connectors there. And it is adjustable. And it's made with leather. It has the silver hardware. The head on the connector swivels a bit. It also has this strap on the top, so for your carry on your arm strap, and this is also detachable, and it's in the gold or silver hardware. You can see this unique design. It has the triangle silver connectors for the strap on the side. This silver is very bold and very beautiful. This bag is in the color Cherry Bomb. If you go to their website, they have many different colors of this bag. As I indicated, I did purchase the bag from Bloomingdale's, and I did get a very good price on their website. The bag is $695. The regular price on the bag is also $695. I lucked out and got this at a 45% discount. So I got it for $386.50. Right now, it's also on sale at Bloomingdale's, but I think it's like $4.86. So from a secure the bag perspective, I got a beautiful bag, new designer, very unique looking, black owned designers, black owned business for an awesome price. So on the inside of the bag, there is no organization, and it's 100% leather interior as well. I'm not sure if you can see it on the inside, but they have their logo, BruceGlen, on the inside as well. It comes with this dust bag that has their signature print, BruceGlen, with the colorful squares and their name insignia. Once you check out their website, you'll see that they have clothing and other items with this design as well. They have more bucket bags with this design. They have various styles. So like I said, this is the grenade bag, and there's other bags that they have too, but I thought this one was most unique in color and design. So the dimensions of this bag are 9.5 inches in length. It's 5.5 inches in depth, and it's also 5.5 inches in width. So, oh, and the leather smells so good on this bag. I'm really looking forward to wearing it. I've been thinking about, like, where would I take this bag? Where am I going with this bag? I can see me either taking it out on a lunch outing, shopping outing, just, you know, with some of my essentials. Doesn't look like it's gonna fit too much in here, but it'll definitely carry the essentials. So I'm sure I can fit my phone. I just have a wallet up here from a previous video, medium-sized wallet. I also have a wristlet up here from a previous video. Let me see if that'll fit. That may not fit. So I'll have to find a smaller wristlet, or just maybe throw some items in there. I just want to give you some dimensions or perceptions of what might fit in the bag. But again, this is the grenade bag by designer BruceGlen. They describe it as artfully handcrafted in New York City. It's a pod-shaped bag, which is this bag in the inside, and it fits snugly and securely into this leather or into this silver bracket. So I think this may be removable. I'm not sure if I would really want to do that. But again, can we just talk about how unique looking this bag is? And I got an exceptional price. Looking forward to wearing her out. I'm sure she'll get a lot of attention because she's a little cutie. I think I can get away with like wearing this on a date night with a dress, or even wear it down with some jeans and a t-shirt. Like I said, a shopping trip. Again, comes with this beautiful BruceGlen dust bag, lots of colors, and this is the grenade bag. I can't wait to let you guys know how I actually end up using her. I would encourage you to go check out their site if you're interested in supporting a new designer, a beautiful bag first and foremost, and then being able to support a Black-owned designer. Looks like they're just starting out, and I think they have some winners here. When you go on the website, you'll see that they do also have a lot of different colors in this bag as well. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Secure the Bag. Beautiful, beautiful bag here. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. For my existing subscribers, thank you for subscribing as well. Thank you all for your comments and your support. I greatly appreciate it. I will put links to this bag and more information to this designer in the description box. Again, and if you haven't subscribed, I would encourage you to do so if you like these types of videos. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out this new handbag designer and this gorgeous little bag. Thank you and have a great day. Thanks for watching.